Welcome back, children, once again. This is Ansu here. This time you'll be seeing the first part of Chapter 6, Working with Forms and Reports. Today we'll be discussing how to create a form using Form Wizard. Creating a form using Form Wizard. Microsoft Access offers various tools to create forms quickly. They give you various options to create forms very easily and quickly. A form can be named and stored in a database file as an Access object. You can create multiple forms and store it in the database as an Access object. A form can primarily help you add new data in a pre-existing database. It helps you to add additional data into the already existing database. MS Access allows you to use the form wizard, which offers greater control over a number of features in a form. It gives you more additional features and gives you more control over the form that you create. Using the form wizard, you can customize a form to add additional fields and modify the design controls. You can always customize the form according to your requirements, add additional fields, and even modify the design controls of the form. To create a form. How do you create a form? It's a lengthy process. It is being explained in 2 slides. Start MS Access and open the database where you want to add new data. You have to first open the database that you want to work on. From the navigation pane, select the required table. The selected table appears in the datasheet view. We have already studied that in MS Access, the default view is the datasheet view. So, in the navigation pane, you need to click on the table. The table will open in the datasheet view. Click the Create tab. You have to click on the Create tab. From the Forms group, you have to click on the Form Wizard. The Form Wizard appears. Then, from the Table or Queries drop-down list, select the table for which you want to create a form. You have to click on the table for which you want to create a form. From the Available Fields list, you have to select the required fields and click the single right arrow button. The chosen field is added to the selected fields list. Repeat step 6 to add all the required fields. You can add all the required fields you want one by one. Click the double arrow icon. Can you see my cursor? This arrow icon you need to keep in mind to move all the available fields. Then you have to click Next. The What layout would you like for your form screen appears. Select the desired layout. From that you have to select the layout that you want for your form. The preview of the selected layout appears on the left side of the dialog box. When you select one of the layout, it will be shown on the left side for you. Then click Next. In the next screen, under the What title do you want for your form text box, enter the desired title. You have to give it the suitable title for your form. Select the Open the Form to view or enter information option to open the form, and then click Finish. Once you have given the suitable title, you can open the form to view or enter the information that you want, and then you can click Finish. The form appears on the navigation pane. Please go through this and understand the concept. Thank you.